Hello guys, welcome to Solid tutorial. Now we shall see different types of filters or how many types of filters we can develop. As of now, we can develop three types of filters. So what are those three types of filters are? First is request filter, second is response filter, and third is request response filter. Request response filter. So first is request filter. What this request filter is responsible for? Request filter is responsible for, or it contains only request processing logic. It contains only request processing logic. So what are the examples of using request filter? For example, whenever you want to create authentication filter, then you can take the help of request filter or authorization filter or request number filter or validation filter. Okay, at that time you can use request filter. So you can use request filter for creating authentication, authorization, or whenever you want to count number of requests coming to your solid web resource program, as well as some validation logic. Next, response filter. What response filter contains? Response filter contains only post request processing logic. Sorry, not post request, post response processing logic. Post response processing logic. And what this response filter is responsible for? This response filter is responsible, or you can use whenever you want to create signatures or internationalization, or you can call I-18 filter, or some compressions or encryption or decryptions. At that time you can use response filter. One more filter is there, request response filter. Request response filter contains request processing logic as well as post response generation logic. Post response generation logic. What is the purpose of this request response filter? You can use whenever you want to check performance. Whenever you want to check performance. Okay. So these are the three different types of filters are there. So let us see now linking solid filter with solid program. How can I able to link? Okay, fine.